A plane has all of its passenger seats occupied by passengers. Some of the passengers are adults and some are children. However, 8 of the children are on the laps of adults and the remaining 3/7 of the children are assigned individual passenger seats. If 4/5 of the passenger seats on the plane are occupied by adults, how many passenger seats are on the plane? Note, some of these adults have children on their laps. So what I have here is the question in a smaller font. In this question we have two fractions. One is 3/7. That pertains to children who are assigned individual seats. So I take, if there are 7 groups of children, or if this represents all children, 3/7 of them are assigned an individual seats, and that means these kids are sitting on laps. Alright, having said that, we also know we have a second fraction. 4/5 of the passenger seats on the plane are occupied by adults. So from there, these seats, 4/5 of the seats, these are all the seats, 4/5 of the seats, let's choose green, 4/5 of the seats are occupied by adults. Okay, so let's go back to our main question. So we're claiming that 3/7 of the children are on individual seats and 8 of the children are on the lap. So these 4 squares should represent the 8 kids. And that tells me each box should be 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So these should be 2, 2. So basically, what we are saying is we have originally on the plane, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 children. We have 14 children on the plane, and 3/7 of them are given seats. 1/7 of 14 is 2, 3/7 of 14 is 6. 6 of the kids are sitting on their individual seats, and 8 of the children are on laps, on 8 different laps, hopefully. Okay, now from the first fraction, or from this first picture, I can decide or conclude that 6 children are seated. Now if you bring that here, I have 6 here. Take a look at this one. We have 4/5 of the seats are occupied by adults, so 1/5 of the seats are occupied by children. So this 6 should really come here. So this should be 6. Why? Because if 4/5 of the seats are occupied by adults, 1/5 of the seats are occupied by children, and if from the first fraction or from the first picture we decided that 6 of the children are occupying seats, so this 6 should come here. Now if each box represents 6, I can fill it out. 6, 6, 6, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6 is 30. The question says how many seats are on the plane? The answer is 6 times 6 times 5 equal to 30. That's our answer, 30. Now I want you to try this problem. It's a parallel problem, very similar to the one that we have just solved. I want you to try this problem. The answer to the question is below the video in the description of the video area. So take a look at the question, give it a shot, see if you can solve it.